All right, so y'all know this one. This is the birds of pay, the extra bonus with the crazy eagles that come flying down. We've had good luck on this machine in the past, and we're gonna try it out now. At least it's got volume. Oh yeah. All right. See if we can change our luck up. At the end of the day, we've had a lot of fun. Need 3 of these little gold baskets or more. Another couple eagles, I wouldn't have been mad neither, you know. Mercy. All right. This is actually one of my favorite machines right here to play. Let's see what the eagle does for us. I've seen a couple come down. Match it up. A whole $1.25. There's some doggies. $10. Let's work it up. Come on now. Really? Seriously? Oops. $0.50. All right, we've got to get some more money. Actually, what I'm gonna do is my daughter's gonna take over. She plays our free play. So I'm gonna let her sit down and
I don't want to play this one.
And everything. Oh, she wants to play a different one. So we're gonna go find a machine she likes to play on the free play, and then we'll probably be back, start some more. I don't know, the night's young, we ain't done yet.